Gyumri, Armenia's second largest city, is a place where history, culture, and resilience intertwine. Nestled in the Shirak province near the border with Turkey, this city is home to roughly 120,000 residents, though its surrounding areas contribute to a larger metropolitan feel. Located approximately 120 kilometers northwest of Yerevan, Gyumri lies in a fertile valley surrounded by mountains, offering breathtaking vistas and a climate that blends cold winters with warm summers. Known for its rich cultural heritage, artistic traditions, and resilient community, Gyumri is a city that tells its story through architecture, craft, music, and the vibrancy of daily life. Gyumri's history stretches back millennia, with archaeological evidence of settlements in the area dating to the Bronze Age. Over centuries, it became a key regional center under Armenian kingdoms, and later as part of the Russian Empire. The city's architecture reflects a unique blend of Armenian, Russian, and European influences. In the 19th century, Gyumri, then known as Alexandropol, thrived as a commercial hub, hosting bazaars, trade centers, and cultural institutions. Its historical streets, neoclassical buildings, and churches bear witness to both prosperity and the challenges the city has faced, including earthquakes, wars, and economic transitions. Gyumri is divided into distinctive neighborhoods, each with its own character. The historic center is home to cobbled streets, 19th century mansions, and cultural landmarks like the Black Fortress, Sev Bird, and the Holy Savior's Church. These areas retain much of their original charm, making them attractive for both tourists and local residents interested in heritage living. Northern and suburban districts feature Soviet-era apartment blocks alongside newer developments, catering to middle-class families. Average apartment rents in Gyumri range from $150 to $400 per month, while purchase prices for modern apartments typically range from $25,000 to $70,000. For historic or centrally located properties, prices can reach higher, especially for renovated buildings that combine modern comfort with classical architecture. Real estate in Gyumri has experienced steady growth, reflecting both economic recovery and the city's cultural appeal. New construction projects, renovations of historic buildings, and the development of residential complexes are gradually transforming the cityscape. Modern apartments often include amenities such as security, parking, and contemporary interiors, while older buildings retain their original architectural charm. Real estate investment opportunities exist in both residential and commercial sectors, with particular potential in tourism-related properties, boutique hotels, and artisanal businesses. Government initiatives and local development projects are gradually supporting urban revitalization, attracting both domestic and foreign investors. Gyumri's economy is diverse and community-driven. Historically, it was an industrial center, specializing in textiles, machinery, and food production. While heavy industry has declined, small and medium enterprises, agriculture, and craft-based businesses now play a significant role in the city's economy. Tourism has emerged as a growing sector, fueled by Gyumri's historical architecture, artisan workshops, and cultural festivals. Markets and trade centers continue to support local commerce, while the city's proximity to the Turkish and Georgian borders facilitates cross-border trade. In recent years, entrepreneurship and creative industries have gained traction, highlighting Gyumri's innovative spirit. The cultural life of Gyumri is vibrant and deeply rooted in Armenian tradition. The city has long been recognized as a center for art, music, and craftsmanship. Art schools, theaters, and cultural centers, such as the Culinary Historical Museum and the Gyumri Puppet Theater, provide platforms for both traditional and contemporary performances. The city is known for its musicians, painters, and poets, with cultural festivals celebrating local talent and heritage throughout the year. Architectural landmarks, including churches, bridges, and historical squares, provide tangible connections to Gyumri's past, while contemporary art spaces showcase modern creativity. Hidden gems in Gyumri reveal the city's richness beyond the main attractions. The Ditogchen Museum of Social Life and National Architecture offers insight into 19th century Armenian urban culture, while the Black Fortress provides panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and mountains. Small artisan workshops, Local bakeries and traditional craft stores allow visitors to experience the city's living heritage, from carpet weaving and pottery to woodworking and embroidery. Green spaces like Vartanant Square and Freedom Park offer peaceful retreats, while the surrounding Chirac countryside provides hiking trails, rivers, and natural landmarks for adventure seekers. Gyumri's culinary scene is both traditional and delightful. Armenian cuisine is celebrated in local restaurants, cafes, and bakeries. Popular dishes include khorovats, grilled meats, harissa, a traditional porridge with wheat and meat, dolma, and freshly baked lavash bread. Street food vendors offer snacks like gata, sweet pastries, nuts, and local cheeses. Cafes and tea houses are central to social life, where residents gather to drink Armenian coffee, enjoy sweets, and share stories. Restaurants also experiment with fusion cuisine, blending Armenian ingredients with European and Middle Eastern flavors. Education in Gyumri plays a vital role in community development. Schools, universities, and vocational centers provide opportunities for learning and skill building. Chirac State University, located in the city, offers programs in sciences, arts, education, and economics. Schools focus on both academic excellence and cultural preservation, fostering a sense of pride in local heritage. Language centers, art schools, and music academies support the cultivation of local talent, while libraries and museums serve as resources for students and the general public. Transportation in Gyumri is functional and gradually modernizing. Local buses, minibuses, and taxis provide urban connectivity, while private vehicles remain the dominant form of transport for many residents. The city is served by Chirac International Airport, connecting Gyumri to Yerevan, Moscow, and other regional destinations. Roads and infrastructure improvements have enhanced accessibility within the city and to neighboring towns and villages, facilitating commerce, tourism, and cultural exchange. Sports and outdoor activities are an important part of life in Gyumri. Football, wrestling, and basketball are popular, with local clubs fostering youth participation and community involvement. Hiking and nature excursions in the Chirac Mountains and nearby rivers are popular for both residents and visitors. Parks and recreational areas, such as Vartanant Square, provide venues for exercise, socialization, and cultural events. Seasonal festivals and outdoor gatherings reinforce community ties and celebrate local traditions. Housing in Gyumri reflects the city's diverse character. Historic buildings in the city center, often renovated, offer a unique combination of traditional Armenian architecture and modern amenities. Northern and suburban districts feature Soviet-era apartment blocks, alongside contemporary developments, providing a range of options for middle-class families. Rental prices and property values are generally affordable compared to Armenia's capital, Yerevan, attracting individuals seeking a quieter lifestyle while remaining connected to cultural and economic opportunities. Urban renewal projects and private investment continue to shape the real estate market, creating potential for growth and revitalization. Nightlife in Gyumri is modest yet engaging. While the city is quieter than Yerevan, cafes, restaurants, and cultural venues provide social and entertainment options. Music halls, theaters, and local bars host live performances, folk music, and contemporary events. Seasonal festivals, art exhibitions, and cultural celebrations contribute to the city's vibrant social calendar. Residents often gather in communal spaces, parks, and tea houses, enjoying a relaxed and community-centered nightlife. Natural surroundings enhance Gyumri's appeal. The Chirac Plain, nearby mountains and rivers, offer scenic beauty and outdoor activities. Hiking, birdwatching, and rural excursions allow residents and visitors to experience the region's natural heritage. The city serves as a gateway to nearby historical and natural sites, including monasteries, fortresses, and ancient settlements, making it a base for cultural tourism and adventure travel. Economically, Gyumri continues to adapt and grow. Small businesses, artisan workshops, agriculture, and tourism provide employment opportunities. Government and international development projects support infrastructure, education, and cultural preservation, encouraging economic resilience. Cross-border trade and regional commerce contribute to the local economy, while investments in housing, hospitality, and creative industries signal potential for continued growth. Hidden historical and cultural gems enrich Gyumri's identity. Old churches, artisan workshops, Historical squares and local markets provide depth and character to urban life. Contemporary art galleries, music venues, and cultural centers showcase modern creativity while honoring traditional practices. Cafes, bakeries, and tea houses provide spaces for social interaction, storytelling, and community bonding. Together, these elements make Gyumri a city of both heritage and innovation. Education, culture, cuisine, natural surroundings, and economic opportunities converge to make Gyumri a city of resilience and discovery. Its real estate market, urban planning, and cultural infrastructure provide opportunities for residents and investors, while hidden gems, parks, and historic sites offer endless exploration for travelers. Gyumri is a city where history, tradition, and modern life intersect, creating a vibrant and multifaceted urban experience. Walking through Gyumri streets, exploring its museums, artisan workshops, parks, and neighborhoods, one sees a city that is resilient, creative, and full of life. Gyumri is a place where every corner tells a story. Every neighborhood offers a cultural experience, and every view captures the essence of Armenia's rich heritage and dynamic present. In conclusion, Gyumri is a city of history, culture, and vitality, where economic opportunities, cultural heritage, and community resilience coexist. Its real estate market, economy, and cultural infrastructure provide opportunities for residents, investors, and travelers, while hidden gems, historical sites, and natural landscapes offer endless discovery. Gyumri is not just Armenia's second-largest city. It is a living testament to artistry, endurance, and the enduring spirit of its people.